Tammy Williams here, and I'm joined by Lynetta Perry, who is Executive Director here at the Central Okanagan Food Bank, and there is a really big food drive coming up. Tell me a little bit about it, and why is it so important?
Yeah, we have our 9th annual BC Thanksgiving food drive coming up next week. And so we have hundreds of volunteers that are going to go out, put bags on people's doors, and attached to that bag is going to be a list of our most needed items. We're asking people to fill the bag and then put it back outside on Saturday, September 15th at around 9:30, and then volunteers will come and pick it up.
And there's a hub of activity here in the food bank that day as all those mountains of donations come and are piled up, and then the volunteers sort them and put them in the bins and put them properly in the shelves. It's just a wonderful activity to be involved with.
The reason this food drive is so important right now is because we had another challenging summer. Many know that we had poor air quality for the most of summer, and so our team wasn't able to get out into the community and do our typical outdoor food drives. And so we're entering into our busiest season about 25,000 pounds short of food-raising goals. And so we're really hoping with this food drive that we can raise about 50,000 pounds or more to replenish our stock so that we can go into the busy time of year and feed our neighbors in need.
We're trying to fill the food bank full of things for Thanksgiving and make sure that everyone can enjoy a great Thanksgiving dinner and to be able to eat something every day of the week. And that's the goal, to help those that are less fortunate, and for those that need that little bit of assistance. It may be for a short time, it may be long term, it doesn't matter. Anyone that donates to the food drive, there's a feeling that comes into your heart that can't be obtained in any other way in helping those that cannot help themselves for whatever reason. There's no judgment. And to have this huge need of individuals in our community that have the need of food, it's heartwarming to participate with others to make sure that they are fed, and that's what we're about. Of course, anytime anyone would like to give a donation, they can come by the food bank here on Enterprise Way and provide their donation. They won't be ever turned away. And then this year what we've instituted is a virtual food drive where individuals from home can go online and through cofoodbank.com can find a way to donate, whether it be a monetary donation or a donation as if you were shopping at a grocery store and pick out cans of beans or whatever it is and cereal and pick a basket of foods and donate those funds for that. It begins on Monday of next week and will culminate on Saturday, September the 15th with the collections that day.
Well, thank you so much for telling us all about this great event, and thank you for watching Kelowna Now.